Hey guys, this is the sausage or keto sausage dip, I guess. All it takes is 3 ingredients. It uses a roll of like the Bob Evans original sausage, cream cheese, and canned rotel. So if you'd like to see how I make this, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so you need a roll of the Bob Evans original sausage. We usually use like 1 roll of this and then 2 blocks of cream cheese, but I'm only doing half a batch since we're not having like a get together. But I'm going to cook up all of this sausage anyway because half of it's going into some baked beans, which are not keto, but yeah, the dip is. So I just cook up 1 roll of sausage, you just brown it up. And while that's happening in a crock pot, if you're doing half a roll, do 1 block of cream cheese. And if you're doing a whole roll for a big batch, then you would use 2 blocks of cream cheese. So I'm going to get that heated up while the sausage is cooking, and then just some rotel. Rotel is, take the 5 minus the 2 fiber, so 3 carbs for every half cup. And if you eat a serving of this dip, I doubt you're going to eat half a cup. So for this whole batch, we're using half a can. So there's 2.5 half-cup servings in here, and we're not even using the whole thing. So yeah, this is totally carb-friendly. Because like I said, you're not going to sit and eat this whole thing at one time. Even if you did, that would be, what, 9 carbs? No. 7.5? But you're not going to eat a whole thing at once. So anyway, some rotel, half a can for just a half a batch. Full can and 2 blocks if you're using a full roll. Yeah, I'm going to brown the sausage. Okay, so the sausage is all browned. If you like it in bigger pieces, leave it in bigger pieces. I like it in smaller, so I just break mine up super fine. So I'm going to put half of this into the crock pot with the cream cheese, and then I'm going to add in half the can of rotel. Okay, I just poured in roughly half the can of rotel, and now I'm going to add in half of the sausage. Okay, I added my sausage in. I'm just kind of using my spoon to break up some of the cream cheese because it's not quite melted. And then I'm just going to put the lid on. Right now I have it on high. I'll let it be on high for a little bit. And you just want to heat it up till it's all melted together and combined. And it is freaking delicious. So yeah, I'm going to put the lid on and just let it go. Okay, once it's all heated together, yeah, this is what it should look like. Nice and creamy and delicious. It's so good. We've been making it for years, literally years, even when I wasn't doing low carb. So here it is in this bowl. It's super hot. So if you're not doing low carb, I love it with scoops, which I'm really doing right now because I'm not doing keto at the moment. I need to get back into it. Let me just show you this goodness. It's so good. You have to make it. And, hold on. If you are doing keto, you can use something like the Joseph's lavish bread. Just toast it up in the oven, or the low carb tortillas. Toast those up in the oven like tortilla chips. Or even like vegetables. You can use cucumbers, carrots, whatever you want. This stuff is literally, I dropped a chip. It's literally good on everything. It's so addicting. It's a crowd pleaser.